Hey guys, I'm back again, finally back. This is going to be another Nerf gun, how to make a Nerf gun video. So the things you'll be needing is some Nerf darts, probably old ones that you don't use, some stick or something to get the caps out of this confetti round, and the confetti gun. I picked this up from a cheap shop for about $4, and it came with 2 of these. So starters, you're just gonna pop these out and then tip out the confetti. So the confetti's here. And then you keep on doing that for each one. And the Nerf darts should fit perfectly in these holes. There's caps on the back of here. Each of these are caps. So then when you stick it in here, it works just like a cap gun. There's a metal hammer at the back. This rotates when you pull the trigger, and you can fire out Nerf darts instead of confetti. So that's all of them out, and then just move that to the side. So then you grab a dart and you put it in, just roll it down in. So it stops about there. So what you want to do is cut it off so you can stick this in, and it's just the head poking up. So hopefully now when I put that in, oh no, so as you can see this head's poking up. It won't work because the barrel rotates. So what I need to do is pull it out and cut it shorter. So there you go, as you can see I've put all of them in. Now I should be able to put this cap on and I'll give it a fire. So this is second test. As you can see, it fires pretty hard. This is really not a weapon to be shooting at people. It's just a fun Nerf dart shooter. Second test. So I'll show you how far that one went. That's where the gun is, and the dart's right there. As you can see, it explodes the back of the dart. So that's why it's really only a one-use thing. Remember, do not shoot these at people. So thank you for watching this how to make a Nerf gun. Remember, this is not for use in Nerf wars. This is just a bit of fun. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and go over to my second channel, Lucas Challenges, and subscribe to that.